Looking for a beginner RC airplane that flies like a pro? Meet the VolantexRC Trainstar Stunt 76804, a 500mm wingspan legend that's rewriting the rules of entry-level flying. Built with flexible EPP foam, this trainer plane is ultra-durable, perfect for new pilots learning to take off, stunt, and land with confidence. Thanks to the 6-axis gyro system, stability comes standard. Whether you're flying in calm skies or light wind, the gyro keeps your plane balanced automatically. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers smoother power and longer flight time, up to 15 minutes of fun on a single charge. It's also RTF, ready to fly right out of the box. That means no assembly, no tuning, just charge, launch, and enjoy. With its stable flight performance and incredible durability, the Trainstar Stunt is perfect for beginners, kids, or anyone who loves the thrill of RC flying. Take to the skies with confidence. Fly smarter, fly faster, fly the VolantexRC Trainstar Stunt 76804.